Most people think you need a big audience or years of experience to sell digital products. You don't. If you're new, this is actually the best place to start. Because these are 3 digital products that always sell, even if you're just getting started. Set the mindset. Here's the truth. No one tells you. People don't pay for perfection, they pay for solutions. If your product saves time, reduces confusion, or makes life easier, it can sell. Let's break it down. Product number 1. Templates number 1. Templates sell because people don't want to start from zero. They want plug and play, done for you, easy to customize Canva templates, planners, trackers, social media posts, checklists, journals, all of these sell every single day. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a designer. If you've ever organized something in Canva, Google Docs, or even written a layout, that works. You can turn that into a product. Templates sell because they save time, and time is what people are willing to pay for. Product number 2. Guides and checklists. People are overwhelmed. They don't want more information. They want clear steps. That's why. How-to guides, step-by-step PDFs, beginner roadmaps, exact process checklists sell so well. And here's something important. You don't need to be an expert. If you're 1 or 2 steps ahead of someone else, you can help them. Beginner knowledge is valuable because beginners want simple explanations. Clarity sells. Product number 3. Digital bundles minus 140 to 200 seconds. Number 3. Digital bundles. Bundles are powerful because they increase value without creating something new from scratch. You take templates, guides, checklists, resources, and combine them into one product. People love bundles because they feel like they're getting more for a better deal. And for you, it means higher prices, fewer products to manage more perceived value. Bundles sell especially well on Etsy and TikTok. Here's the truth. Selling digital products isn't about being lucky. It's about having a system. What to create, who to sell to, how to price it, how to market it consistently. That's the part most beginners miss. If you want to learn how to create digital products that actually sell, use TikTok to drive traffic, build income step by step as a beginner. Then, don't guess, learn the skill. Start with the link in description and learn digital marketing the right way. Your first digital product could be closer than you think.